Worst he's planning his so-called wedding, he's just treating me like dirt.
What? Trevor got married? I'm married just to impress him over there. A good move that still. Well, he might do him thing, but he not have no reason for treated that kind of way there. In a real life still not nice. I understand what's going on between you and Trevor, I understand where you go through. But at the same time, you have to make me know where me stand. Because you can't still hold on to that, and me and you are flex a certain kind of way. Because you can't time me out like a goat to about to get him throat bust. You have to make me know where I'm going.
I am completely over him.
Nice. Don't lie to yourself. Because if you do that, you never truly ever get over him. There's a reason why you get triggered with the name call. You never notice how you move little while. And maybe you never notice, but me see it. And as somebody who get this close to you, you can feel the vibration say certain things not right. So if it suits you and you don't want to go down there, if you see him, just have to find somewhere where you can just cool out your head. Because obviously I go through some trauma, kind of get over the whole thing yet. And if you want me to help you through it, I'm there. You have to level with me and know exactly where I'm going. Besides.
When I say I'm over him, I am completely, totally over him. I am willing to go to the next level, but just give me a little time.
I'll take your word for it. You see, if you ever do this, I'll do this as a human. Together. It means anything will bother you, let me know. So I can be of assistance. Alright?
Okay, fair enough.
I get busy and start inside the sun. And when we finish, I send home the worker then. I pass through on my ear for it. Alright, numbers. Get busy. And then later, get busy again.
Hi Kamisha, it's Auntie Nicey. I wanted to give your dad a message for me. Alfred. On second thought, let's do that weekend at Caldo Tours.
Nice.
What the problem? What you really upset me? So what you want me to do about that? Hmm? What you just say?
Trevor, you have something you want to tell me?
About what?
You proposed to me and we are planning a wedding. We can't go into this with secrets. I need to know what really are going between you and I see. Because you call her name in your sleep.
Come here. So there when you ask me when last I see or talk to Nicey. See already I'm going to talk to her.
You know.
Come here. Just listen to me. But then when I tell us I have a business meeting to go to. And Nicey have somebody call me about the business meeting. And when I go there, she my buck up, you know.
So the nice you have the business meeting with. What should do? Trick you again?
Yeah. She may have the meeting with trick.
I tell you, you know. So the girl that devious. You see from she come down a Caldo. I tell you say she will go at length to do anything to get your back. And see? She plan meeting. What if she did set up your life? When you go, suppose I want to your head. You know, some feel like she send the package.
She do it. Because I talked to her today.
You talk to her today?
Yeah. You just have to find out because when I go buy the things I'm going to pull the grill. I see the box out there again.
You see what?
Yeah.